Hi, I'm Deepa Kumari and I'm a proud student of Nitte School of Architecture, Planning and Design. At NSAPD, learning feels different as it is not just about studying design, it's all about experiencing it, understanding it and applying it in ways that feel real and impactful. From well-equipped design studios to advanced AR/VR labs, here learning goes far beyond classroom and textbook. The environment constantly encourages us to explore, experiment, and push our creative boundaries. What I love most is how theory meets practice, whether it's architecture, urban planning, and product design. We are guided to think critically, bring ideas to life through hands-on projects. The faculty support us at every step, helping shape both our technical skills and creative thinking. Beyond academics, NSAPD offers an energetic campus culture. Workshops, studio discussions, industry interactions, and design exhibitions create a space where creativity is always alive and collaboration comes naturally. In conclusion, NSAPD is where creativity meets purpose. It's a place that helps you grow as a designer, thinker, and professional. And I'm proud to be shaping my future here.